Blowing rock. Hey guys! Hey! I haven't vlogged in forever, so this feels weird. In our car is me, Logan, Faith, Melanie. Say hey. Hi. Also, Logan and I are basically wearing the same thing.
Ah, you missed it.
Oh. Abigail and Catherine are here now. Hey. We made it, and now we're getting lunch at the, what's it called? Foggy Rock. I got a burger.
Actually, you're right. I missed it next year. Cut that out.
I know. The Blowing Rock. Hey. Ew, my shirt. Guys, we're going to the Blowing Rock.
Why didn't ask you?
You're such a problem.
The Blowing Rock.
Yeah. Oh my god. Everyone get in. Okay. Hey, Blowing Rock.
Scaling the mountain.
It's so windy. We're leaving now. It looks so pretty though. Okay, I'm gonna put my mask back on. Oh wait. Oh yes, the cat. Oh my god, hold on a second. This shirt is from Urban Outfitters. Jeans, American Eagle. Oh, we haven't showed you the house. We're at the house. We have a hot tub. The view. This is Logan and Abigail's room. Yeah! Party room. Mel and me and Faith. Rachel and Catherine are upstairs. Show off the fit. Okay. We just got ready in like 20 minutes. Okay. Yeah. We're at dinner. Hey, Faith and I are splitting. We got two sushi rolls and dumplings. I'm squeezed in. We're fitting 4 on this side. You want to vlog? Yeah. Okay. I got the vegan sushi roll. And we'll see if I like it. Look at this. Watch this, guys. Oh, you literally can't see anything.
I'm like, oh yeah, like.
We're going up the mountain. Are you scared?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. I'll vlog
Don't say that.
when we make it, you know?
Shut up, Pappy.
Gosh.
Close your eyes, everyone.
What color is my shirt? Orange! Orange! Yeah, I think that.
Maintain eye contact for 30 seconds. Do you think I've ever checked an ex's phone for evidence?
That's a reminder to Abby, I guess. Be more interested in understanding others than being yourself. When everyone's laughing shows me that it's true. So I will work on that.
Abby, are you lying to yourself about anything?
Hey. We just went in the hot tub. We just got in trouble for leaving the door open. We're trying to figure out how to turn the jets off. Like, not the jets, the lights.
I don't know.
But you know what? I don't think it's a big deal. I think it's fine, right?
Right.
Wait, isn't there one on the floor?
No. Oh my god. Go! Quick, quick. Door. Oh, just.
Hey guys, and good morning.
Right.
Ew, this is like not good. Whatever. After our last vlog, we went in the hot tub. Faith went to bed, and we played Catan, and Abigail won. I had like 3 ports, but I still couldn't win. Yeah, I was close.
Yeah, you were very close.
I would have gotten to like 8 or 9.
I know.
If you hadn't won.
I know.
We all went to bed after that. Anyways, today we're going to Grandfather Mountain to hike. We can actually see it from here. Okay, it's right there.
Hey, ready for the hike.
Yeah, my hair's just braided because I don't want it to be in my face.
I have, I think, almost the same sweatshirt as Abby. Carnegie Mellon, trying to manifest. And then I have my Lulu shorts, my Asics.
Lululemon.
Hey guys, my Travel Hill sweatshirt, Lululemon shirt,
Yeah.
Marshall's leggings,
Yes.
and my cute little Nikes.
Cute. On my Abstay sweatshirt that I got when I came here last year. Blue shirt, red blue leggings, and then my old Adidas's that I accidentally dyed pink in art class freshman year. These ugly tennis shoes. Cute. These leggings that I stole from my mom. This Abstay sweatshirt that I got from last year here, and I have this Athleta tank top.
I'm wearing some old Adidas purple like sneakers. I'm wearing some like Fabletics leggings and a nice NC State sweatshirt.
Go
which is my
go
future
Wolfpack.
college.
Future Wolfpack. Future heels. Future captain. Future Knights. We have another future heel over there probably. Go pack.
Practice.
There's the rock. Smile. It's so cold. We're on the swing bridge. Oh wait, this is pretty. Picture time.
I hate it.
Faith's freaking out. Faith, you're fine. Yeah, thank God I have my Adidas.
Come on, guys. Let's roll.
We're on the edge of the world.
The world. We're just sitting down the rock now. Got it. Look at what we're looking at. Hey guys, we're hiking. I'm the leader. This is a moderate trail. Catherine, Abigail, Melanie, and Catherine's mom are doing the intense one. We didn't want to exert that much energy, so we're doing a moderate trail. So it's me, Logan, Faith, Rachel, and then Melanie and Rachel's moms are back there. It looks kind of tropical. I'm like not even watching where I'm going.
If you fell while you were vlogging, I'd laugh so hard.
I would bust out more teeth. I cannot afford to do that.
Not again.
But this is what the path looks like. It's weird how tropical it looks.
Look at this. Do you want to post, please? Like your tripod.
Thanks.
Should we take pictures?
Yes, we should.
Hey. But we just like walk around this loop and then we walk back down that way. Vlogging and hiking, never do it. Just a tip. So if, like,
Is it beautiful?
yeah. We got Faith up here.
I got my classical rap today. Like, I play my songs.
We did it. We're back at the entrance. It is now 3:30. Correct. We're in the hot tub. Okay. Hi. We're going down to try and do a fire, and literally it's so creepy. Like, look.
Spiders.
Spiders?
I don't want to hit her hands.
I have on this.
Where's this little piece? Okay.
OTD.
Yeah, Rachel.
Yeah, come on. No, I said, and I quote, don't let Abby sit on the log. There's a lot of spiders. There's spiders everywhere, Abby.
I hate spiders. Me and Logan. I'm literally a baby, but like I hate spiders. It's like one of my biggest fears. I'm backing up. It's not gonna blow up. What?
Oh, that's gonna get it going.
5 teen girls trying to start a fire while one is scared of spiders and one comforts her sister scared of spiders. I would just do
A
that.
YouTube video how to make a s'more.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, camping. Remember when we thought we were gonna go camping this past summer?
Camping in the backyard. That's what I agreed to. Ooh, is there smoke? Because that leaf is rolled up like a freaking cigar.
Oh my gosh, it literally is.
Yeah, isn't it?
Look how much progress they're making. Look how good it looks right now. They did such a good job. I just stood here and made Abigail kill spiders for me. Mom, were you proud of me? I killed a spider.
It's a 2, 3, leave a good tip. Oh yeah.
Let me hear you be A-N-A-N-A, yes. Hello. When did I last vlog? I don't even remember. I know. I have a bit of a cough this morning, but we're just all hanging out up here. We're leaving today. We check out at 11. We have 10 minutes left on our cinnamon rolls. We're at Abbey State. And we're gonna walk around. Will I vlog? Probably not. I'm tired. Kara, if you're watching, I'm at your home. See ya.
Oh my god. I'll still have it.
We ended up spending like 3 hours in Boone. We walked around and shopped, and then we went and got lunch. I got a little poster thing of Indiana, and then I got a pair of earrings. They're like kind of tie-dye and colorful. And then I got this like little pot thing. I got a map of Connecticut, and then I got a little succulent. Now we're leaving to go home. This was fun.
We were so tired.
This is my outro. I'm like, bye.